From Ira, Sebastiaan and myself, Cowboy Don't. Here we go, our little two-step. Are we gonna do it straight to music, Ira? Or we're gonna... We walk it through one time. Here we go. 7, 8. Rock forward, rock side, rock back, and kickball cross. Toe heel, scissor cross. Toe heel, Lindy with a rock. Quarter turn, step. Half turn, step. Half turn, cross mambo. Cross mambo, slow jazz box quarter. Turn, 2 fast ones, jazz box quarter, jazz box quarter. To finish the dance, we have a bounce, 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 bounce. Guys, there was one little restart after 56 counts in wall number 4. Shall we just try wall number 4? Facing a 3 o'clock wall. Here we go. 7, 8. Rock 1, turn side and rock and kickball cross. Toe heel, scissor cross. Toe heel, Lindy quarter turn and step. Half turn, step. Half turn, mambo side. Mambo slow, jazz quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 fast jazz. 1, 2, 3, 4. Attention, restart. Rock, rock. So you leave your last 8 counts out. And for the big finale, that's after this last heel, you will be facing 12 o'clock. You and bounce, bounce, bounce. Wow, wow, wow. Professionals, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck. Here we go. Cowboy Don't. And 5, 6, 7, rock. Rock back, kickball cross, toe heel, scissor, toe heel, Lindy, quarter turn, mambo, slow jazz, 2 fast jazz boxes, 2 heels, bounce quarter turn, start again, rock forward side, kickball cross, toe heel, scissor, toe heel, Lindy to the left, quarter turn, half, cross sambo, cross slow jazz, 2 fast jazz boxes, 2 heels, quarter turn with your bounce, start again, rock back, kickball cross, toe heel, scissor, toe heel, Lindy, quarter turn, cross mambo, slow jazz box, 2 fast jazz boxes, and 2 heels with your quarter bounce. Start again. Remember, this is your wall number 4. Toe heel, scissor, toe heel, Lindy, quarter turn, cross mambo, slow jazz. Ladies and gentlemen, pay attention, restart! Wow, very good, toe heel, scissor, toe heel, chassé, and quarter, half, cross mambo, slow jazz box, 2 fast jazz boxes, 2 heels, bounce for your last ball. Kick, toe heel, scissor, toe heel, Lindy, quarter turn, cross mambo, slow jazz box quarter, 2 fast, 2 heels, big finish coming up. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, beautiful. Cowboy Don't. Yeah?